Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will go through the structural directive star ngFor used with HTML element like div. So usually ngFor, we use it over a collection of data. Say collection of data can be like collection of string, like I have taken fruits for easy, like I want to make it easy for you. So I've taken collection of fruits like apple, mango, orange and guava. So I want to make it visible on the screen. I want to display it on the screen one by one. So how would I do that using ngFor? Let me tell you. So I use HTML element div. I say star ngFor and I say collection fruits. Okay, but I want a variable for, because ngFor will do the iteration, it has to store that value for each iteration, right? So I say let fr of collection fruits and say h1 fr. So this is our HTML element div. I use structural directive ngFor and I say collection of fruits, iterate each time and set it to variable fr, and fr I print each time. Let me save it and check the output, and you see it has iterated the collection fruits and has displayed each value apple, mango, orange, guava. And also in place of, currently I'm using string, but I'll show you another example. Say I'll take collection cars. Okay, I say any is equal to, now I'll take two objects saying name Audi, price I say something like, okay, or I'll take it in the format and let's say BMW something. So I have collection of cars, that is Audi and BMW, in an object, right? Object, I have two objects in an array. Let me take this and say div. So this is done. Okay, collection of fruits is done. You have displayed those values. Now what we are seeing is the second example, that is collection of cars. So we have star ngFor, we pass in collection of cars. We need a variable to hold this. So collection of cars and say h1. Now if I say car, we'll see what it displays. Now you can see you have two objects. Why you have two objects is because Audi and BMW are two separate objects. So that is why in an array you have two objects. That is why you are displaying objects here. But in the first case, when we display, it was string. Sorry, it was string. So it directly displayed the value. But here we have objects. So it's displaying the object. But we need the value inside the object, right? So inside the object we have name and price. So in order to display that, I need to say car.name. So once you have car.name, you have Audi and BMW, right? If you want, you can also display car.price. So Audi you have for this price, BMW you have for this price, correct? So this is how it works. So the first example I showed is with collection of string. The second example I showed is with collection of object. I hope you have understood. Thank you.